Today's episode is about space. Look at this. I was drawing space. And at space, there are many planets, but I want to talk about the sixth planet, Saturn. I'll show you. Hi, I'm Saturn, it says. This is Saturny. This is my friend. I love her because she is very beautiful. Look at her eyes. And she is the two biggest planet in the solar system. Look at it. She has a crown. And I said I'm going to talk about Saturn. Saturny will explain. Just wait a minute until Saturny explains. She'll be in a minute at the TV. And the first thing we'll talk about is why Saturn has rings. Ask Saturn if you don't know. Saturn says, at the first place, she didn't have rings. She was an old one with only 50 moons. She was so sad because she was not special. But one day, an asteroid crashed to one of her moons. And she realized that she had one little ray here. It's a cutie. And as it keep going, ice dust and other kinds of rocks, and later it became a very large, huge ring. Now Saturny is smiling. And I will ask Saturny, why is she so dusty and windy? If you're curious, ask Saturny right here. If you see closely to Saturny, there are many little particles of CO2 and other oxygen and other kinds of gas, because Saturny is one of the big gas giants. The gas giants are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and also the last one, don't you remember it? It's Neptune. And the air particles, I just said it's gas giants. Saturny is a gas giant, so we can't stand on it. So if you stand on Saturny, then you will fall down to the end of space and you will die because there are no oxygen in Saturny. Oh, Saturn is asking why there are no oxygen in Saturny. Because she's one of the gas giants. We can't stand their nerves. No life, no plants, no other animals. There's no way to have oxygen. Saturny, hey, why are you so cold? She says, because the sun is almost 1,100 miles from the sun. You would freeze in there if you just are here 1 second. Wait a minute. Then you will be all freezed. And it might be too cold that icicles will be, and you will freeze into a big ice blob, just like the mammoths. Saturny likes to. Why is Saturn so beautiful? And also how pretty as the princess? The answer is the rings. The rings is one part of the thing that is beautiful to make Saturn. But the second thing is the gas, rocks, and other particles. They make the reddish and pretty color. So Saturn is now very beautiful. Isn't she? Look at her. My friend Saturn really loves space because she is the gas giant and other kinds of many reasons. But there is a big question. Saturn's rings, they look like one, but how many are they? If you look at her very closely, this spot is a planet, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops of rings. That's so much, right? They come together, and squeeze themselves. My head is the Saturn and my hands are the rings, but just like you can see, it's 7 from Earth. That's because it is almost 300 miles from the Earth. The first scientists who saw the Saturn had predicted Saturn had rings. But it is so incredible that you can see it. It's quiz time. After this quiz, I'll tell you more information. Look, if Saturn is headed by a big meteor, what did you think? O or Ace? Send it in my channel, and if you are right, then I'll give you a thumbs up sign. And one more Saturn quiz. And look at this Saturn. She is very big smiling. Oh, did you wonder? The Saturn can fit 10 Earths? Saturn says she is the mother of the Earth we're on. Wait a minute. Ta-da-da-da! Look! Saturn's the mummy of Earth because she's bigger, 10 times bigger than Earth! Isn't that fantastic? But the biggest problem is there are no life in Saturn. Quiz time! Look at this. We have our solar system here. What's the Saturn's gold medal if they had a race? Here's numbers. Wait a minute. Now, please answer it with my app. If you're right, I'll give you a fun little quiz, and I will also give another look to Saturny with my YouTube channel. Saturny is very cute planet friend to me, and she really likes to be in space with cutie little stars, and the stars are her friend. Oh, they're saying hi to Saturn. Saturn loves and Saturny likes her. And here comes, oh, wait a minute, this one is a girl. And here comes another star. And he is very handsome. And he's very smart. Look at him. He looks very fancy. And they are her friends. They are a couple. And so they all come, and Saturn can be very not seen. But if they come out and there are no moons and no rings, Saturn will be so cold that Earth can see it bald. Isn't it so terrifying? Here's one quiz. Quiz time! Saturn has friends, Starry and Star-er. But which one is the Saturn's enemy? One of them is trying to making traps to get Saturn's moon and rings and dust to make them fancy. Which one is it? Stars. This is a hint. Starfit friends are this. And the fake one is, if there's one little wrong one, that's an enemy star. Now, there's only one chance. Pick one or pick two. Which one did you pick? Answer it in my YouTube channel. If you got right, then I'll send you a fun Saturn bonus quiz to you. And the more you're right, the more creases. Saturny is now very, 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 very cold. And next time, Saturny will like to play and do another YouTube channel, right, Saturny? It says yes. This video was too long. And Saturny wants to play more with you, but we should say bye-bye. Now, Saturny says something very, very fun. Oh, I know it. It's bye-bye. She's saying bye-bye. Wait a minute. She's doing something. Oh, she was sending this message. It's saying bye-bye. Bye. This time was too long. Next channel, I promise it'll only be 5 minutes. Bye. I'm going to play with Saturny.